In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SteamVR lag in just 5 minutes. Let's get right into it so you can enjoy smoother gameplay without the frustrating hiccups. First, you'll want to open your Steam app on your computer. This is the hub for everything related to Valve's gaming platform, and it's where we'll make the necessary adjustments to improve your SteamVR performance. Once you have Steam open, the next thing you'll do is click on the login button. This action will prompt you to enter your credentials, so be sure you have your account details handy. In the login interface, you'll need to enter your account name followed by your password. It's always a good practice to double check these details, especially if you have multiple accounts. After you've entered your credentials, click on sign in to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here, our next step is to navigate to the library section. Simply locate the library tab at the top of the screen and click on it. This is the area where all of your games and software are organized, making it easy to find what we're looking for. In your library, you'll need to locate SteamVR among your installed applications. Once you've found SteamVR, right-click on it. This will display a contextual menu with several options. Here, you'll click on Properties. This selection will open a new window where you can adjust various settings related to SteamVR. Inside the Properties window, look for the Betas tab. When you click on this tab, you'll see a drop-down menu offering different beta versions you can opt into. From the drop-down, select the Beta SteamVR Beta Update. This beta version often includes the latest fixes and improvements that haven't yet been rolled out to the stable version, which can sometimes help with performance issues like lag. Once you've opted into the SteamVR Beta, it's time to launch SteamVR again. This allows the new settings to take effect. With any luck, these steps will help reduce the lag you've been experiencing and create a smoother virtual reality experience. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to potentially fix Steam VR lag by enrolling in the beta updates. By getting into the beta program, you often gain access to cutting-edge fixes and enhancements, which can make your gaming experience much more enjoyable. That wraps up today's guide. I hope this helps you get the best performance out of your VR setup. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.